Chapter 16. The Story of Early Man. Introduction to the chapter. As we know that early man lived on this land thousands of years ago. His life was very hard because he had no food to eat, clothes to wear and house to live. They used to eat whatever was available in the jungle. They moved in groups from one place to another in search of food, and they live in trees and caves. How did early man make his life easy? Let us read in this chapter. Food. Early men lived in forests and caves. Food was their main problem. They moved from one place to another in search of food. They collected the fruits of trees and the roots of plants. Sometimes, they killed small animals and birds. They ate raw flesh. Tools. Early men needed some weapons or tools to kill the animals. They used stones with sharp edges as tools. The first weapon that the early men used was a club. They also made sharp and pointed wooden sticks. They were now able to kill even bigger animals with their sharp tools. They kept on improving the tools and became hunters. They made spears by tying sharp stones to the branches cut from trees. They learned to protect themselves from strong wild animals. Early man had nothing to protect themselves from cold. They wrapped their body with the skin of animals. This helped them stay warm during winters. Discovery of fire. Early men ate plants, nuts and raw flesh. They did not know to cook their food. After a long time, they learned to make fire by rubbing two stones together. One day a piece of raw flesh fell into the fire and got roasted. They found this piece softer and tastier. From then onwards, they began to roast their food. Early man was afraid of fire, but they also enjoyed its warmth. Later, they also used fire to cook their food. Thus, fire became man's best friend. Gradually, they learned that animals were afraid of it. So, they began to keep the wild animals away. The discovery of fire changed the life of early man. Farming. Early man noticed some seeds growing into plants. They also saw some seeds of these plants. This gave them the idea that food can also be grown. They threw some seeds on the ground and waited for them to grow. Many new developments took place over a long period of time. Being able to grow their own food was perhaps the biggest achievement of early man. They also developed plows to till the land to make it soft so that the seeds could grow well. They now became farmers. Taming animals. They also learned to tame some animals. Apart from using them as food, they also used them in many other ways. Dogs helped them in hunting while oxen pulled their plows in the fields. They began to keep cows, sheep and goats as domestic animals. From them they got milk. These developments brought many changes in their life. Now they had enough to eat and did not need to roam in search of food. Settled life. Early men settled down at one place. They made huts near their farms with the branches of trees and skin of animals. They also made sheds for their animals. They needed places which had enough water. They found the river valleys. where the land was soft and fertile. Thus, they began to lead a settled life in villages. Settled lifestyle led to rise of villages and community, which resulted in the emergence of a common language as means of communication. Settled life also gave early men some free time for entertainment.